Hi, Dr. Todd Sullivan with Nova Chiropractic and Acupuncture. In today's video, I'm going to go over some alternative ways to adjust the joints in your back and neck for pain relief. If you're suffering from any neck or lower back pain, we have many treatment options at our office. One treatment we do for neck and lower back pain is called chiropractic adjustments. We can either do that with our hands or we can do it with an adjusting instrument. If patients don't like to hear a pop or a click or they don't like the hands-on adjustment, the adjusting instrument is a great treatment option. It's also safe if you have osteoporosis. We can exactly control how much force is applied into the adjustment. So we're going to demonstrate an adjustment in her lower back. So we're going to tap on a few spots here. What that's going to do is going to help to restore the joint range of motion, loosen up that area, and relieve your pain. If you have any questions, give my office a call at 703-912-7822, or you can schedule online at novachirowellness.com.